There's this brand new Carrier Comfort Series heat pump firing up. This unit replaced a 2018 5-ton Goodman in between December and now. And these two, this unit used to sit right over there, but it got relocated. That other Grandad that was next to it got replaced with this Carrier. Show you what I mean here. You see, they just left this one Grandad right here running. And that's what it used to be right there. Isn't that something? Yeah. Here it is running. It has the 3 swept fan blades. There's the logo for it right there. And you guys know, for a while, oh, now it's shut off. You guys probably know that the 2024 Route Achiever in Virginia was my spring outro. But I'm probably going to be making this unit my outro for why I'm down here. But, yeah. Here's a 5-ton from June of 2025. Here's this other Grandad, which I got a video of last year. But yeah, it's a really nice unit. Alright. So yeah. It's really quiet. I'll get it started with that unit when I come back in June. Maybe try to get it started with this unit too. And I'll maybe get this one starting up sometime later. Probably not today. But yeah. And there is a heat pump with a Copeland scroll compressor. And it has a broad ocean fan motor. So yeah. I guess that's me about it. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.